The 18th of June by Manohar Rai Sardesai. Do you remember, brother, the day when water turned into blood and the blood itself became hot? The 18th of June. Our prisons, sorrowful bricks, throbbed with new hope. The oppressing foreigner's arrogant flag understood and trembled. Swept by the rains and winds, it was doomed to be reduced to shreds. Do you remember, brother, the 18th of June? It was a Tuesday. Heavy showers drenched our earth. Weeping away all in shivers stood a gaudy boy beneath a mango tree. Suddenly an iron man appeared, nobody knows from where. As his voice thundered like a roaring lion, a shudder ran through everyone's shoulders. Children came running helter-skelter, no one knows from where. The cannons that kept us slaves shelled out balls of fire. With the heat of the blood, our very soil turned hot. Do you remember, brother, the 18th of June? The day of our freedom dawned at last. Everyone stood erect as all the fetters broke and fell to the ground. Do you remember, brother, the 18th of June? So many times it has come and gone, the 18th of June. The poor gaudy boy shivers still beneath the mango tree. How far from us, oh how far still that golden Goa of our dreams. Tearing asunder the sky's canopy, piercing the clouds, roaring like thunder, flashing like lightning with a sudden dazzling glow. Let it pour down and burst on us again, the 18th of June. Do you remember, brother, memories of that day set my heart on fire still. Do you remember, brother, the 18th of June?